and welcome to IGBO Academy. My name is Chioma. Today we have this little one, my son, Olitabeka. If you're watching my first videos, he was in my tummy then, but now he's no longer there, he's out. So with this video today, I'm going to show you how to carry your baby on the back with a wrapper. Carry your baby on the back with a wrapper, the way Igbo women do. So let me keep him down first. He can walk, so it's not a problem. The first thing you do is to bring out the wrapper. Bring out the wrapper. This is a wrapper. I want to use this wrapper to carry him on my back. I just tied the wrapper. I showed you how to tie the wrapper. So if you have not watched the video, please go back and watch it. How to tie a wrapper. Then you make it small like this. This place now is what is going to help you to. This place that is tight now will help you to hold the baby very well. When you get a wrapper that is long, you fold it. This folding now, this place that is firm, is what is going to hold the baby very well on your back. Oh, there, come. Let me carry him on my back. Then when I fold it, I'll just keep it like as if I want to tie a wrapper, but I'm not tying him. I'll keep it like this, and I'll carry the baby on my back. Now this is my baby. Odie, say hi to the camera. So this is him on my back. I'll carry him on my back, and I'll use that part to hold him very tight. See? I'll hold him very tight. This place that is strong now. Nothing can make him fall off my back. I'll put it under my waist, under my armpit, sorry. And I'll hold this other part. I'll fold it and fold it inside. And I'll fold the whole front inside. See? This thing I'm doing now. Nothing will make him fall off my back. I'll just do this other second one for support. I'll make sure his legs are out. Then I'll tie him. So if I'm supposed to carry my baby on the back or go anywhere with him on my back, he's firmly on my back. Nothing will make him fall off. You see how I'm carrying him? This is how you tie your baby on the back. Maybe I should do it again. When you place your baby on the back. Okay, let me do if this is how I tie this. That's for a baby that is grown. But if this baby is not grown, if he's still small, you have to put his hands inside because the neck will be shaking. This baby now is over 1 year, so now his neck is very strong. He can hold his neck. But if he can't hold his neck, you tie it like this. You make sure it's not too tight. Now or if he's sleeping, if he can't hold his neck or if he's sleeping, I'll tie it. When I folded the wrapper, I'll tie it like this under my armpits, and the other one here. I'll fold it here, and see, it's tight already. Nothing will make him forward. I just have to support it with this second one. So if he's sleeping and I'm taking him somewhere, I can just tie it like that and go on my journey. In case if I'm in a place where I can't ride the car, where I have to walk, or where I'm tired of carrying him on my hand, I can just carry him like this and do what I'm doing. If I'm going to church, if I'm going to the market, if I'm doing things at home and he's disturbing and I have to carry him on my back, this is just how to carry him and everything will be okay. And he'll be singing with you. All you talk, he'll be singing with you. He'll be doing everything with you. You'll be sure. Or if your baby used to disturb too much and used to walk around the house too much and you have things to do, you can just carry him like this. When you carry him like this, you'll be sure of where he is and you can do what you want to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I have a video on how to tie wrapper the best way and how to cut your wrapper. Please make sure you watch it. Thank you.